Welcome back to Drag the Mag. Today we are in Leicester. I say we because got Martin up in the distance from Peterborough Magnet Fishing UK. But got all this graffiti. Came to this spot last week with Callum Jordan, only digging and dipping. So we thought we'd come back because we was pulling stuff out. But got all this graffiti here. Now they are doing building works next to the river, so there's going to be all new buildings going up and flats, probably housings. And you've got the graffiti on this side just here. So quickly take you down, show you this side. Yeah, the weather's alright at the moment. I have put my outdoor suit on just because it did say it was going to rain about 12ish. I'd rather stay warm, dry, than put it on when it starts raining. So yeah, as you see, we are armed with the kayak. So there is Martin from Peterborough Magnet Fishing UK.
Hi guys.
Getting the kayak off because we noticed a lot of rubbish in the river last time. If you see Martin's video and my video, you'll know about the rubbish we're talking about. So we're gonna get the kayak, get all the rubbish out as well. We've got the diving stuff on us, the life jacket as well, got the magnets. So yeah, bring you back when we get to the water. And whilst we're on the way to the water, why don't you check out magnetstore.co.uk, check their range of magnets. Once you find the one that you like, use the discount code DTM10, that will get 10% off your purchase. If you want a magnet from Online Magnets, use Martin's discount code POSH10, capital P, POSH10, that will get you 10% off. Basically two top of the range magnet companies in the UK. Can't fault the 360 range magnets, the G-Force range and the Evo range as well. Awesome magnets. So yeah, let's do this and we'll see you soon. Well, we're here. Gonna start on this section here. That's where we stopped last week. So I'm gonna start here, have a few dips. This bit is the old river, goes along there. You have got a little platform you can get to the river that way. So I'm gonna probably take the kayak there later and get the kayaking, get all the rubbish out and see what else we can find. So been here 5 minutes already. Gone and got a bollard out, some plastic sheeting, some basket and a fence pin. So what I'm going to do, because this has got holes in it, I'm going to put the sheet in it and then put all the little bits of scrap on top of the sheet. That way it don't fall through the bottom. You can take it back to the car and then offload it back. And it's another fence pin, then a bit of a bar, another hole there, and another bollard. So that's two bollards and two fence pins. And I really wish that I was filming because we was pulling the bollard out. It was a joint effort with me and Martin. I kept getting one side and it just kept dropping off, so Martin come and give me a hand. and I started putting this stretchy sort of silky bandage sort of rope stuff out. So Martin's come over and gone, have you got it yet? And as he said yeah, the elastic come out of the water and smacked him straight in the face. So yeah, it's all fun and games down here at the moment, but I'm gonna have a couple of throws over the bridge and see what I can find. Oh, I'm presuming this is quite old. I'm not sure, but I've never seen a frame like that. I know white welly magnet fishing, you probably know what kind of frame this is. If you know, then drop a comment please. Yeah, just got that out. Then pipe from a drain. I'll show you some other bits that I've got as well, just behind here. So we've got bite lock, and then got a big chain with a padlock on it. So add a few more throws. We've got parts to a crank for a bike. Obviously another bite lock, some kind of alarm, stopwatch kind of thing, I'm not sure. And then I'm gonna got this, which is the top to a gas stove. And a pole. Then we're gonna got an Alice band, hairband. It goes over the headband. Some snippers, some cutting metal, and a bike lock. And as you can see, got the safety vest on. Hey, that's how dirty this water is. It's getting both of us muddy. But gonna get in the kayak over that way, go under the bridge. I might try and get a old safe that we can see. It's been cut open, but it's just shredding to bits when we're trying to put it up. So if I can tie a rope around it, plus whilst I'm in the water, I'm gonna be getting all the rubbish out, the plastic and stuff like that. Sweet. And as you can see, there's the safe that Martin is trying to get out. I'm trying to help him, but there's so many rocks at the bottom that it's hard to get the kayak close. Yeah, check this. Something new for you lot. I'm in the kayak, on the water. It's just slowly spinning me around and drifting me around. You've got the weir just over there. Some geese there as well. So as you can see, the kayak is upside down, draining the water from the first little trip I've just did. But wow, all this is just one trip. Just waiting to dry for a minute, having a little break, and then I'll get back in the water and get any more rubbish out. Hello swans. Found a traffic cone, so I've put it in here and I'm using it as a makeshift bin. I'm chucking everything in here basically. But yeah, I'm back in the water. Found this tunnel, not sure where it goes, but there's steps there. It's only, you could probably walk through that, to be honest. So if I can, I will tie the kayak somewhere and have a quick look in there. I haven't got my torch on me, which is a shame. But that's definitely one place I want to get into. So I'll see if I can leave the kayak somewhere around here and walk up there and take a look. If not, then I will come back another day. So I'm not going to risk going through the tunnel due to Martin scuba diving Obviously, if he needs my help and I'm all the way through that tunnel, I'm not gonna hear him shout for me or scream out for help, basically. But yeah, there he is. Still got the traffic cone. I'm hoping I do not bump into him. Yeah, there he is. So back out of the water. Didn't have much because I found this, so I didn't want to put too much weight on the kayak. But it's a microwave. The Martin's just been putting these bottles out. KNW, Kirby West, KW, Kirby West. And that's probably a Kirby West one as well. Express. No, it's not Kirby West. Not sure what bottle that is. But here's one for Marie from Peaky Dippers. Now I found this bag and it felt heavy and I thought, oh, what's inside the bag? On further inspection, one, two, three, four. And also comes with some batteries. Little 5 batteries. But yeah, that's funny. And then been getting all this plastic out and everything. Hands are absolutely filthy, but this water is quite shallow, to be honest, and quite clean. So we are washing our hands and drying off as we speak because the sun's out. We've been soaked in the kayak. Got Martin with both cameras there. You have to check his channel, Peterborough Magnet Fishing UK, to see his underwater experience. Sweet. And I've just found something that belongs to the other half of Peaky Dippers, Glenn. Glenn, I think this is yours. It says it's yours. But yeah, shout out to Peaky Dippers. Go and like, share and subscribe and follow them. Great guys, absolutely amazing content. So yeah, we're both out of the water and off the water. We've moved down to this side of the bridge. Gonna start throwing the magnets back in, seeing what we can find here, to be honest. And then we've got a scrap pile up that way. We're gonna collect in a bit. Once we've got everything else, at the end of the day, we'll show you anyway. So, a few throws at this spot. We've got a broken fence post, some old bike forks, and then I think it might be an exhaust or some kind of thing. It's the thingamajig, whatever it is. And there you go. I have my first friendly. Hello. Well, I know in previous videos I've said about getting some shears to cut the bushes back when I go bottle digging and litter picking to get all the rubbish and that, but these have had it, sadly. And this is why they call it magnet fishing. Fishing for magnets. Just gone and found, I believe it could be a 200 kg double-sided by the looks of it. Ouch. Yep, that's clamped my hand between them. That's why you should always wear gloves. Yeah, 200 kg double-sided. And another ding ding. So just gonna pull this can out, and as you can see, there is a little friendly in there. Crayfish. So I will try and get the lid off and help him escape, because he's obviously got in there but he can't get back out. Martin's using a screwdriver just to pop the edge a little bit so you can try and bend it back. But it's bending the screwdriver. There you go. It's got it. So that should be big enough to let, after giving him a headache. There you go. It's a friendly. There you go, mate. All rescued. Hello. So pop him back in. There he goes, swimming away. So, as you know, each week, every Tuesday, me and Martin play a game called Bingo. Basically, you've got to find 4 items, and if you get bingo, you win a little prize. Could be a bag of sweets, could be a new pair of gloves, something small. But this week it was chav can, fence pin, spanner, and a friendly. A friendly being a crayfish or a fish, crab, basically. And I've got the chav can, I've got the fence pin, I've got the friendly. Now I just need the spanner, and then away we go. That is bingo for me. I won 2 weeks ago as well, so you know. And yeah, can definitely tell the locals are happy with us. You know, positive feedback they're giving us, thanking us for cleaning their rivers, taking everything away, making the environment better for them. But yeah, just been told by the locals that this area used to be thriving back in the day, used to be flooded with a lot of people. All these were mills all the way down there. They used to all be mills. I think as well the ones in the background where the chimneys are, they used to be mills as well. So got a bike wheel, scaffold pole again, car wheel I believe. It's pretty small though, so I'm not sure what car it's from, but that's tiny. If it is a car wheel, that is, it could be something else, I'm just guessing. And then we've got a padlock. I'm not sure if it's old or new, but I'll take it home, clean it up, see if anything's on it. If not, it'll go in the bin. And then just loads of scrap in there. Martin has gone and took the kayak and the scuba diving gear back to the car, so it's easier for us to load the scrap at the end of the day. He's going to come back with the empty trolley and collect both piles of scrap from up that way. Yeah, there you go, part of the train tracks, track plate I believe, and that sits on, and the track sits in there. Yeah, that was proper innocent. Trying to get that out, had to get it from there, drag it all the way down to here, because there's chains attached to the walls. It kept hitting the chain and popping off. As you can see, there's no chain here, easier to pull up. And 1 and 2 chav cans. So you can see the bridge in the distance. Just past that was where the first scrap pile was. The second pile is just up there. We'll go and get that in a minute. But as you see, we're shifting the scrap with 2 mashed up wheels. This one's buckled, held on by a bungee strap. This one is punctured. So this trolley has gone. So goodbye trolley, it was nice knowing you. There's no point on us getting new wheels, because 4 new wheels is going to probably be the same price as just getting a new trolley, to be honest. So yeah, so gone and got a torch exactly similar to the one that I've got. So it's got a closed thing, and that will give you a wide beam. Then you push it down and it gives you a small beam. So I will take that home and see if I can clean that up and get that working again, to be honest, because it's only a bulb and a battery. Dry that out. Like I said, I've got exactly the same one at home. So yeah, flash. So got a tyre, that's number 2, so I'm too tired for this. And then gone and got a shark. It's a hammerhead, and I've just pulled this bag out. It's a carrier bag, but it is magnetic. Now, I'm not sure what's in it, to be honest. I'm trying to do this one-handed. Feels like nails, to be honest. Right, bring it back in a sec when I've got this off the magnet and got it open. Not opened it, but I know what it is because I can see one poking through just there. It's a bag of nails. I was getting so excited for a bag of nails. Wow. Well, last throw, got another bite lock and another coin. I've got a few of these, I'll show you them in a minute. I don't like going, here's 2p, here's 1p, here's, it's just long, you know, just do it all in one. And then just the odd bits of scrap. So we've both had our last throw. We're gonna go and sort the scrap out and get the scrap loaded. It is still bright, but we've got an hour and 10-minute drive, plus we've got to load the scrap as well, which probably take about an hour maybe. So yeah, and there you go. That's all the coins that I found today. And also, this was just laying on the grass, so I'm gonna go and see if I can get this cleaned up, get it working again, because I have stopped smoking. I'm on the vapes. Recommend these Elf bars, to be honest, they're awesome. 5 for 22 quid from my local vape shop. This one's the mango flavour. I've tried the watermelon, strawberry and kiwi, the apple, and wow, yeah, all nice. So yeah, we're gonna quickly sort this out, go and get the scrap which is behind the trees, which is piled up, and then load the car. How beautiful is that? Mother duck with her little ducklings. I think it's the mother, I'm not sure. Then you've got a swan there. So yeah, it's time to put Dyson Fury to bed. He has been playing all day long, bless him. He's knackered, I'm knackered. I've got to sort out a little tear in the rope as well later. But I'm gonna go and put this away and sort the scrap out. There you go. Before we load the scrap, check out these YouTube channels: Magnetic Squatch, The Magneteers, Sleaford Dippers, Magnet Fishing, Southend Dippers, Rockhampton Raiders, Drag the Mag. Oh wait, that's me. You're already subscribed, I hope. If you're not, then subscribe. Leeds Magneteers, East Midlands Magnet Fishing, Magnets and Mental Health, that's Essex Magnet Hunters, and Beth, Little Miss Magnet as well. And then Magnet Fishing Menace, that's Gary on Instagram. Storefield Designs as well. And on the back you've got White Welly Magnet Fishing and Magnetic Pool. So this is where we've been today. Let's have a pause and have a read. So just walking back to the car now. Magnets both been put away, and then we're gonna come back and get the scrap, which is just there. So yeah, we're back at the car now, gonna load the scrap. And as you can see, the car is loaded with all the scrap that we've had. We've had a couple of piles. There's nothing. It's all loaded in the back of the car. So yeah, another exhausting day, epic day as well. You have to go over to Martin's channel, Peterborough Magnificent UK, see his scuba diving experience. And obviously you've got a couple of footages from me being in the kayak. So it's something new, but we had me on top of the water getting all the plastic and rubbish out and bottles that I could see, and Martin was underneath getting other stuff, you know. So yeah, as always, been a pleasure to fish with Martin. See you later, guys. So it's goodbye from him, it's goodbye from me, and we'll catch you again soon. Sweet.